Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing a product that I have never used before. So this is the first time I'm gonna be using it on my channel, and this is the Pond's charcoal anti-pollution facial kit. And I have never used any facial kit before, that too at home. No way, I have never done a facial in my life. Okay, so this is the first time I'm gonna be trying this out in front of you and let you guys know what are my thoughts on this particular product. So you guys know this pandemic situation is taking a toll on all of us, and we cannot really go out to the parlors and do a proper facial. So this is for them who want a facial at home. And I am so excited to try this product out because when it comes to activated charcoal, I am totally into it. And this is supposed to remove dullness and pollution from your face, and this is going to make your skin look clearer and brighter. And yeah, I am totally into it, and I'm so excited to try it out with you guys so that you guys can clearly see the difference on my skin. And yeah, without rambling much, let's get started. Okay you guys, so this is how my skin looks like now, and as you can see I have few rashes going on. I have one active acne, and also I have acne marks. First I will talk about this product a little bit, and then I will show you how to use it, and then also towards the end of this video I will let you guys know my thoughts on this particular product. So this is how the product looks like, and it comes in that black cardboard packaging, and also you can see the instructions and all of the details on the outer packaging itself. And when you open the box, there are 6 products inside it, and it also comes with numbers so that you don't mess up in between the procedure. And now it's time to try out this kit in front of you so that you guys can clearly see and decide is it worth your money or not. So step 1 is a face wash, and all you have to do is with your face create some lather on your skin, then gently massage it onto your face and neck, and then rinse it off. Then step 2 is a face scrub, and all you have to do is apply the scrub all over your face and then massage it gently in upwards and outwards direction. I also use it in a circular motion, and then you can leave it for 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse it off. Now coming to the step 3, and this one is a nourishing cream. Now you have to apply it all over your face and neck, and then gently massage it onto your skin until it gets absorbed into your skin. This particular product is so good, it's so hydrating and nourishing on the skin. After applying it, it looked like my skin literally drank 5 liters of water or something. I really liked this particular product. Coming to the step 4, and this is a massage cream, and you have to take a generous amount of this product, then apply it all over your face and neck. Then with the help of your fingertip just massage it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you have to wipe it off with a wet towel or tissue, whatever you feel like. And this particular product gives immense amount of glow to the skin. Coming to the step 5, this is my absolutely favorite one, and this is the activated charcoal peel off mask. Now you have to apply a thin layer all over your face, then let it dry on your skin. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes, and then peel it off. This is enriched with bamboo charcoal, and what charcoal does is it helps removing the dullness and pollution from your skin. It makes your skin appear more brighter and clearer. It takes care of the blackheads and whiteheads if you have any on your skin. It unclogs pores and purifies your skin. Now coming to the last step, and this is a finishing cream. Now you have to apply it like you use your regular creams. Just apply it all over your face and neck and then leave it. So this one is a pollution protect cream, and this is gonna help protecting your skin from pollution and dirt. Alright, so this is how my skin looks like now, and it looks much more clearer and brighter than it was before. So I am quite impressed with this facial kit, and it also retails for 300 rupees, which I think it's worth your money. Overall, this is a decent product and I would highly recommend it. Okay you guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also let me know in the comment section below you find this video helpful or not. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.